Mavis, I was thinking.
Yes, Marv?
We've been talking a while, and
Yes, Marv?
I really want to know.
Anything, Marv?
What are the steps of the scientific method?
I thought you would never ask. Well,
there are many different things happening all around. So you make an observation. How does that sound? Make a question. What's it gonna be? Make a question to learn and see. Write a hypothesis. Make that guess. Do an experiment and put it to the test. Have a control so the results are the best. Analyze the data. To the conclusion. Gotta find out if you're right or wrong. The scientific method. The scientific method. Make an observation. Write a question. Make a hypothesis and a prediction. Do a test or an experiment. Analyze and draw a conclusion. The scientific method. The scientific method. Oh yeah. Make a question. What's it gonna be? Make a question. Learn and see. Do an experiment. Put it to the test. Have a control so the results are the best. Analyze the data. To the conclusion. Gotta find out if you're right or wrong. The scientific method. Oh yeah.
Now do you understand?
Yeah, I guess.
Hey Marv, do you know what I found out the other day?
No, but does it require more singing?
Ha ha ha, no.
Okay, you could tell me.
I found out the difference between inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning.
Oh yeah, I think I read that article from Life Science. Isn't it inductive reasoning where a person makes a broad generalization from a specific observations, and deductive reasonings start out with a general statement or hypothesis and examples of the possibilities to reach a specific logical conclusions?
Yeah. I'm glad you knew that.
Yeah, sometimes I'm in the know, and I do not have to have things explained to me. Ah.
Well, fine. But I bet you did not know there was a difference between fact, hypothesis, theory, and law.
Mavis, I honestly did not know what a hypothesis was until you mentioned it 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Are you gonna tell me?
Oh, right. Well, facts are simple. They're basically observations around us, like, that tree has green leaves.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I would not be able to disprove a fact.
Exactly. A hypothesis is a proposed explanation for something that has happened, made as a starting point for a further investigation. Like in my song, you see something happened and then you make a prediction based on what you observed, but building off of it, and you test it.
Oh, so if I observe that ball bounce over there, I can make a guess that since the ball is bouncing, then if I push it harder, it will bounce higher because I used more force?
Yes, for the most part.
Okay, well, what about theory and law?
I'm getting there. Calm down. Aha.
Sorry, continue.
Theory is a well-designed explanation retrieved through the scientific method, which we just learned about, and repeatedly testing and confirmed through observation phase. And a law is something that is based on repeated experimental observations that describe something in nature. It's sent to prove that something happens or how it happens.
Oh, okay, wow, that was a lot of information.
Not really. You just have to think about it. They are all kind of similar and connected, but based on different levels of testing.
I'm kind of understanding, but theory and law are a bit similar. Can you give me an example?
Sure, okay. So, an example of a theory would be when the sun is out, it tends to make it bright outside. An example of a law would be Newton's law of gravitation. Sorry, I had something in my throat. Oh yeah, I remember learning that in school. Something like what is in motion stays in motion unless acted upon.
Exactly, Marv.